Ever heard the phrase, "You're not stuck in traffic, you are the traffic"? Well, get this. You're not just drinking water. You are water. About 60% of you to be exact. So when you're not properly hydrated, you're essentially a walking, talking, slightly deflated water balloon. Now that's a visual. Hydration. It's not just about gulping down 8 glasses of water a day, although that's a good start. It's about understanding how your body uses water, what happens when you don't get enough, and how to make sure you're getting the right amount for your unique needs. First off, why is water so important? It's simple. Every cell, tissue, and organ in your body needs water to function properly. It's like the oil in your car's engine. Without it, things start to break down and overheat. Dehydration or not getting enough water can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and confusion. And let's not forget the dreaded dry mouth. It's like trying to eat a peanut butter sandwich without any jelly. Not fun. So, how much water should you be drinking? Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your age, gender, activity level, and even the climate where you live. As a general rule, aim for between ½ ounce to 1 ounce of water per pound of body weight. That's around 3 to 4 liters for most people. But remember, this is only a guideline. Always listen to your body and adjust as necessary. And don't forget, you can also get water from the foods you eat. Fruits like watermelon and strawberries are over 90% water. So next time you're feeling a bit parched, why not reach for a juicy piece of fruit instead of a glass of water? Finally, consider the quality of your water. Tap water can often contain chlorine and other chemicals. Consider using a filter, or if you're feeling fancy, spring for some bottled mineral water. Your body will thank you. Remember, staying hydrated isn't just about chugging water. It's about understanding your body, making smart choices, and enjoying a wide variety of hydrating foods and drinks. So go forth and hydrate, my friends. You'll feel better, look better, and who knows, you might just become a walking, talking, perfectly inflated water balloon. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Check out the link in the description for more information. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and until next time, cheers to your health.